dead. Dead.
Doing over 100 miles an hour this morning.
Late for work. I'm sorry.
You in a hurry?
Late for work.
Are you?
Yes,
Where
sir.
You work at?
I work at it's called.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You know.
That's pretty dangerous leaving in and out of those cars.
That was completely. You're right.
Sometimes you do it. I understand.
I'm sorry.
All right. Yeah. If you'll just sit tight, I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Who knows what's about to happen, dude, honestly. I cannot see back there. I'm sure it's taking a long time. The longer he takes, the more nervous I get. You might be calling a tow truck, you might be...
Your driver's license back.
Thank you, sir.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to issue you a citation for doing 106 and a 75 today.
Yeesh, okay.
So I can get your signature right down here at the bottom. This is not a plea of guilty. This just says that within 15 days, you'll show up to the court and let the judge know why you're out here speeding.
Gotcha.
So hey man, slow down.
No, hey, you're doing your job, man. You do.
I know it can be fun, but it is dangerous as heck, and we want to keep you safe.
I appreciate it. Today was just one of them days, and you got me on that day. You know what I mean?
You know, it's 75 degrees for 3 days in a row. You wake up, it's 40. It's like less.
Yeah, that's right.
I get it, man, but we want to keep you safe, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right,
thank you very much. You too now. Well, at least you let us go. Bro, that's going to be an expensive ass ticket. That is going to be one expensive motherfucking ticket. Oh my God, 106 and a 70. Bro, 106 and a 70. I swear to God, if I'd have been on a bike with no plate, I wouldn't have stopped. I'm already doing 85. $106 and a 70. God dang it. You knew this shit was coming eventually, bro. How many times have we got lucky? I wasn't looking either. I was tunnel vision. Fuck me, dude. Damn, bro. At least he didn't take us to jail. At least he didn't go look at the channel. That's what I thought he was back there doing. For some reason I was like, oh, he probably called me in. And they told him, keep that motherfucker. Damn, that's gonna be an expensive ass ticket, y'all. I'm setting up a GoFundMe to pay this ticket. I might need that Patreon after all, dude. Oh no. Oh, this is gonna be like $1,000 or something. I guess we'll find out together. I mean, all he wrote me for was the speed. He could have hit me for reckless operation and all kind of shit. So, you gotta give him credit, man. He's a good guy. That guy could have taken me to jail for 30 over, dude. He also could have let me go with a warning. But not right now. Not the way things are. I'm very lucky I'm not in jail. If there'd have been two of us, we'd probably be locked up. Light, bitch. I've Never ever gotten a ticket on this bike. Ooh, that's gonna jack my insurance up too, big time probably. What's up, McLaren? Whew. That is an expensive ass car. Damn, that dude can pay that ticket. Well, maybe not if he's got to pay that freaking McLaren note. Swoop. Damn, bro, your boy was feeling invincible. Now he feels like he's gonna get caught. Oh, dude, at least he let us go. And it's only money, right? At least it's not reckless operation. It's just a speeding ticket. 30 over. 30 over, dude. 36 over. All right, look. I don't care if you're laughing at me. Go ahead. Think I didn't know this was coming? Oh, tell me that's Salt Life. Nope. It's the right color, it's the right Jeep, but it ain't Salt Life. Damn. I wonder what happened to Salt Life, y'all. He's even in the right spot. I don't think Salt Life had a track hawk though. Or whatever that little red thing is, and that means track hawk? Yeah. Damn, there's gonna be some repercussions. But look, what I was really scared of was him coming back. All right, worst case scenario, here's what was in my head. He shows up, he's like, oh dude, you're Angry D, list of tickets, and we're towing your bike. And we're taking you to jail. So that would mean no live stream, no freaking group ride / meet tomorrow. No video this week, y'all, because your boy would be locked up. Damn, so if all it costs us is a bunch of money, I guess we'll have to just deal with it. If there'd have been 2 of us, we'd have been fucked. All right, love you guys. Stop laughing. It's not funny. It's not funny. I was going fast for you.
3 days later.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. That's that cop. That's that cop. Y'all ready for a video? Damn, that's that cop, y'all. Woo, how stupid am I? Quite. Damn, boy. Oh my God, y'all. I am stupid. Well, I just don't like money, I guess. I just don't want to have money. I don't want to have money. Oh my God, dude. Woo, we lucky today, boy. We lucky today. He takes out every day, bro. We gotta watch for him every damn day now. Fuck, dude. That dude's gonna take all the fun out of going to work.